Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a rare piece from Audemars Piguet with a limited edition of only 500 pieces. This is the 37mm Royal Oak Offshore Music Edition in titanium. The model reference number for this watch is 77600TI.OO.A343CA.01. The retail price on this watch is $29,100 if you can get it from the AD. Now I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch, the case, the bezel, the dial, the crown functions, as well as the movement and the strap, and I'll give you some of my thoughts on this watch throughout the review. The Royal Oak Offshore Music Edition is a 37mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. Now AAP measures by the bezel size, not by the case, so their watches tend to feel a little bit larger than other brands of the same size. It's the medium size and it's smaller than the full-size 43mm. This case is rated to 50 meters or 100 feet of water resistance, so it's okay to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up. But you're probably not going to be taking this watch diving. Just go ahead and try this watch on for size. I have it on my wrist. It's actually a really good size for my wrist. I have a 7-inch wrist and some circumference, so this is actually a lot better size watch for me than the 43mm version of this watch. Yeah, it feels great. It's nice and easy, and it's also a titanium case, so it doesn't feel clunky. The bezel on this watch is crafted in titanium. It's secured down by 8 white gold hexagonal screws at top of each of the corners. Let me show you that. You have the hexagonal screws here at each of the corners. Makes this watch easily recognizable as a Royal Oak. Does a really good job wrapping up this dial. Really cool. Now going on the dial, we're looking at this beautiful music themed dial designed to look like a retro sound equalizer or a voice volume equalizer. Now the top half of the dial is dark blue, and more colors like turquoise, green, yellow, and red make up the bottom half. The white gold hour markers are set in an angle outside of the dial to give it a floating look. Really cool. The hour and minute hands can be seen clearly without getting in the way of the music themed dial. This is unique. I haven't seen anything like this yet. Instead of the busyness of a chronograph, you have a retro yet modern look that's fun to wear. Now you may have noticed that this Royal Oak Offshore has no date window. I guess they figured it might mess up the music theme look. Looks nice without it. Now going into the crown, on the 3 o'clock position, we can be wound in the first position after you unscrew it from the case. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. Now 1 click out will adjust the hour and minute hands. Once you have your hands set, you can go ahead and screw down the crown and your watch is set. Now while we're looking at this, go ahead and take a look at the side of the case here. I wanted to point out that you're going to see crown guards here. Now these crown guards are not normal crown guards. They're not pushers either, like your normal Royal Oak Offshores with the chronograph. They're set in there, actually designed to look like DJ slide mixers. Really cool. They don't move, but they look really cool. Going on to the movement that runs this beautiful watch, we're going to take a look at the back of the case. This is a self-winding caliber 5909 movement. It has the hour, minute, and center seconds functions. Power reserve on this is 60 hours, so you can set the watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on the Monday morning, and still give me keeping time. On second thought, you're probably going to be wearing this watch on Friday and not putting it down until you're done with the weekend. Now, going on to the strap that's holding this watch, we have this beautiful blue mosaic strap along with a yellow one, a green one, and also another light blue one. So this watch actually has 4 different straps that you can actually interchange with this watch. Really good looking. There's a mosaic pattern on them. It's a constellation pattern that scatters light really well. It's really unique and adds more character to this watch as a whole. Now, aside from this dark blue mosaic strap, the other straps are pretty loud colors. They all have this mosaic constellation pattern on them. Now, if you want to tone it down, the blue strap will do the job, but if you want to swap it out, AP made it super easy for this strap change system. It's a new system that they use. The strap is attached to the case with a cross-cut pattern link here and here. The attaching link has a release button underneath that locks the strap into place. So if you look really closely, you'll be able to see that button here right underneath the link. If we depress it, we can remove the strap. Really easy. And strap in a yellow strap. Easy, just like that. Do that with the blues on this one too. You could even mix and match them. I mean, this could be a watch that can look like the flag of Ukraine. Really cool. Well, you've been looking at the tang buckle here. The tang buckle, if you want to release this, it even has its own strap release, a tang buckle release system. So all you're going to do is flip this up on the side of the tang buckle, and you can slide that out and pop it on another buckle, or this strap. Really easy. It's already ready to go. I like this a lot. I'm surprised it took them this long to actually get this done. Because replacing or swapping out rubber bracelets on APs is notoriously difficult. They just made it super easy, super versatile. And it's super easy to get change the look of this watch. Now, as far as what I think about this watch, the more I handle this watch, the more I like it. This 37mm Royal Oak Offshore is a perfect fit on my wrist. I have almost a 7-inch wrist, and a 43mm is just too large for me. The titanium case and bezel make this watch easy to handle. There's no heavy complications, no chronograph, no date, and that's what we're willing to give up in order to have a fun watch that starts conversations like this one. Now, even a Rolex no-date Submariner has the same functions, but it's not going to get the kind of attention this watch does. The strap change system and the option to change the straps easily makes this watch a lot more versatile without much effort. Now, if you're interested in the larger size 43mm version, there's also a white gold version with gems. There's also an Audemars Piguet they're releasing a 37mm and 43mm version of those watches on the market. Now, and there's even a black ceramic 43mm version. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website, jazztime.com. The model reference number again is 77600TI.OO.A343CA.01. This is the 37mm Royal Oak Offshore Music Edition in titanium. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. So go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.